Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Y. If you've ever felt stuck searching through endless how-to videos or reading advice that just repeats what you already know, you're in the right place, because what I teach can't be found in any book. Everything I share on my platform is built from real experience across trades, hustle, and life. Stuff you pick up only by actually doing the work, solving tough problems, and learning the hard way. That means I'm not recycling theory or generic tips. I'm showing you the shortcuts, habits, and wisdom that have kept me thriving even when things got rough. Here's what sets my space apart. Hands-on lessons. You'll get straight up, actionable knowledge that works in the real world. Whether you want to master a trade, handle money smarter, or build something that lasts. Transparency, not perfection. I break down mistakes, tough days, and the why behind every move, so you can skip the guesswork and move forward confidently. Your journey too. My platform's built for collaboration and conversation. When you join, this isn't just my story, it's the starting point for yours. I want you to ask questions, try new things, and share your progress so we all learn faster together. If you're tired of empty promises and want to get results with advice that actually works, come be a part of Truality. I've got the real assets, the habits, the systems, the hard-won insights that can help you level up in ways the textbooks never will. Let's build something real. Join me, bring your story, and let's make progress together. And stay curious. I'm Mr. Y.